Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Yo, Trinidad, what's up? I just realized something. I'm chilling in my hotel room, and the cops came to check me. A whole bunch of them, saying they got a warrant to search my room and all that kind of stuff. I'm here in Trinidad. I love for the people, chill with my band, all that. But I just want you to know, no matter what, they can't break us. We see what's going on. We just want you to know what's going on. We see what you're planning. How can you obtain a search warrant for a hotel room on a Saturday? Okay. Still got love for you, Trinidad. They can't distract us. That's why we're here. For you, not them. Peace.
And them thing they really are going, you see me? You don't know so because the Gargamel get a little prison time and them thing there. You know enough well, you don't see what go on, you see? You don't know so through the Gargamel get a little prison time and them thing there. You see, police in enough countries are going to take certain precautions and want to, make sure that them country safe whenever I enter them country and all these things. You see? I know a lot of things that people are going to say. Some people are going to say, yo, a long time Trinidadians not like Jamaicans and all these things. Well, to be honest, I don't really even care about that part of it, you see, because this world is going to mix one day until it becomes one. Whether you believe it or not, it's inevitable, you see. Anyways, I don't know the thing already. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button, leave a comment and let me know what you think. You know, as always, big up to everyone, big up to Trinidadian fans, big up to my people, them trade through the world, Caribbean continent, anywhere there, alright? My name is Skilla, and this year just said the Dancehall Skilla ENT, uno big up on yourself, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.